Hello and welcome back. In this What's New in Tableau Server 2019.1, we have already talked about many features over here, and those are very core and important features that Tableau introduced. Those are like Ask Data, Export to PPT, and all the other features that we have seen. In this video, we will talk about Tableau Prep Conductor, which is like most awaited feature that we have from Tableau Server and Tableau Prep. This required both the things over here, Tableau Prep on your system and also Tableau Server access. So how to implement this? You can go over here on Tableau Prep. So you need to have some sample flow, or if you have other flow which is up and running inside your Tableau Prep, you can use that flow. For this quick demo, I will use one of the flow that is there inbuilt over here on top of sample superstore dataset. So this is like a sample view that or sample flow that we have. We will reuse that for this quick demo. First, we need to quickly do a sign in to your Tableau server. So we are now sign in over here in the one of the instance of Tableau server. And once that is done, you can see over here. So everything align over here. This is like static flow. But the disadvantage that we had previously with Tableau Prep is over here, the human intervention is required. Like I need to go over here, I need to click on this run button it will save the data over here on the local system, but that needs to be saved on Tableau server. And also this execution, that's where I don't need to be a part of this to run the flow. So can we do a quick automation over here, and this execution will happen automatically. And that's where this prep conductor feature comes into the picture from 2019, which is very important for business. You don't need to awake to get started with, and you don't need to stay over here long to just execute this task at specific time. You can be dependent on Tableau Server, and Tableau Server's schedule feature will handle this kind of functionality. So now over here on the server menu only, you can see over here publish flow. It is asking over here to pass over the URL of your Tableau server. So you can go over here, you can just quickly copy this whole path and you can paste over here. You don't need to have that hash sign. You can say connect. Once you sign in, you can click again over there F10 key from your laptop, or you can just go to server menu and you can say publish flow. Okay, we can see over here the warning is because of just we don't have SSL certified for this URL. We don't have that authentication over there, and that's fine. So you can just keep, but inside organization, SSL is must over there. So go back again, select publish flow, and that's where it will on the first start, it will ask you to pass your credentials. So I'll just pass basic information over here and let's say sign in. Okay, we can see over here, we have the same flow over there published on the default project. So I'll go to this Tableau sample over here and let's publish this superstore flow that we have created just now. It says that 6 files will be uploaded with this whole flow, because we can see there will be multiple files that we are using to create this flow. So I'll just say publish with this basic and default setup. And this will be quick, as this is like just a logical flow that we have. Okay, we can see over here, that was a success from Tableau Prep. So click OK, and let's go back to the browser. Now we can see over here, the flow is published over here, and now we can see the same flow over here on the Tableau server. What are the things those are there over here on the Tableau server now? We can see the files and those things that we are included over here while we are publishing this flow. So those are over here, and that's where those needs to be quickly refreshed. Any point of time, if you want to manually, if you want to run this, you can click over here, run all. That will get started with the execution, but we are not expecting that over here, and that's what the Tableau Prep Conductor is all about. So we'll go over here on the connection page. You will see all of the detail about the connection, which are the files that we are using at the backend. Right now, we don't have any schedule over here, and this is the feature which we were talking about. So we can click over here for the new task, and then you can create your new task, or you can use if you have previously any task that is created. So let's say if you want to execute this task every night at this time, you can do that, or else you can create your own schedule. And that's what we will see in the later part of this course, how to create schedules and those things. You can actually define those over here. So you need to create schedules for flow, and then those schedules will be available over here in this dropdown. But for now, let's go with the predefined schedule over here. And you can see over here, If you want to manually select which will execute or which will not execute, and those things, you can actually select automatically include all outputs steps for each flow. So keep this as a by default over here, create task. You will see in the task detail over here, this is a new task that you have created. Now, if you want to execute this task, again, you can go over here and you can say run now, or you can just edit task if you want to assign a different schedule. You can delete if you don't want, and that those operations, those are possible. You can go over here on the run history and you will see what are the timings and what are the duration it was running in the past. If you are running this flow for more time, then over here on the schedule, you will see that this will execute on this time or tomorrow. So that's the schedule that we are defined. And this is totally automated. So we don't need to care about what exactly happened and what are those things. If there are errors, those will be notified to the flow owner. And this is like total automation that we are trying over here with Tableau Prep and Tableau Server. So there will be no human required over here to execute this data preparation. Everything will be automatically processed over here on Tableau Server, and that will be taken care of. So that's it from this one. Like what we have seen over here is a Tableau Prep Conductor in action, most awaited feature from Tableau Server and Tableau Prep. This is like now data preparation can be automated, and you don't need to stay long to execute those flow and to prepare those data sets. So that's what we can create over here with the help of Tableau Prep Conductor. Let me know how you think about this feature in comment section. And that's it from this video. Let's continue this over next video.